See, as far as communication skills are concerned, I would like to say कि communication skills ऐसा नहीं है कि हम किसी बुक से पढ़ के या कोई इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स ज्वाइन करके सीख सकते हैं, because it depends upon the environment, right? Like Pankaj Bachwani is having his work in UAE, so he is meeting that kind of client who are using a certain kind of environment, तो वो उस हिसाब से ग्रूम हो रहा है। whereas कोई भी इंसान जो जिस कम्युनिटी से बिलोंग करता है अपने प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में, उसकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स उस हिसाब से ही डेवलप करने की एक अर्ज फील होती है, और जब वो अर्ज फील होगी तो आप अपने को बहुत अच्छे से डेवलप कर पाएंगे। वेरएज लेकिन हम प्रोफेशनल जितने भी हैं, वेदर कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट, तो हम जितने भी कॉस्ट अकाउंटेंट हैं, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि हम लोग की कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस स्टडीज़ हैं, जब ये कॉरस्पॉन्डेंस स्टडीज़ कंप्लीट हो जाएंगी उसके बाद जाके हम लोग इस पे ध्यान देंगे। वेरएज इन रियलिटी हम लोग अपने करिकुलम स्टडीज़ करते करते ही अपने को अगर डेवलप करें, एक अच्छा सर्कल रखें, तो दैट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प अस टू टू excel in our communication skill, and that will definitely benefit in our professional life as well as in other life phases as well. Bachwani.
I'll tell you how I did it. I used to watch a lot of if I want to have a command on language English, so I used to watch a lot of English movies, I used to listen English songs because it's essential nowadays in a corporate world. If you really now depends what you are targeting. If you are targeting a local company, they don't these they don't require you to speak fluently in English, but it's always good to have a command over other language. So communication, there are 3-4 parts in communication. You can't just say that it's a language. Communication is how easily you can convey what you're trying to say. So let's say you know something in accounting, and if you can teach similar thing to a person who is 6 years old in an easy way, so you have to know how to make that easy for the other person. So you have to understand how I can make a difficult thing easy in an easy way to that person. So this will, you know that way you will get the experience of how to communicate well, how you can have the proper gesture, how you can you know present yourself in a way they understand you better. So language is one thing. Again, making yourself heard and understand is the second thing, which is the most important thing over and above the language. Trying, so how you can improve it: meet a lot of people, talk as much as you can, and see what you're trying to convey. If other person is getting it, then you're doing great job. So अगर तुम मुझे कुछ समझाना चाह रहे हो, मुझे समझ में आ गया, तुमने easy way में उसे convey किया, that's the best communication in the world, because that's what you're going to do after CMA. Your managers, your department heads, they will ask you for the certain information that you might not know, but then you will study about it, you prepare the data, then you will tell them, then you communicate the conclusion that this is what as per my knowledge. So you make things easy for them to understand, because they are not the experts. So you are the expert of cost and management accounting, then you convey them this cost and management accounting in their language. So I'll just share one example with you. So I used to, if an architect is talking to me like, what do you do? I'll tell them, I, like you make buildings, I make financial statements, that help company to grow, that help companies to make better financial decisions. So that's how I convey. If someone from uh, engineering background ask me like, what do you do? So I design codes that make financial statements better. So you need to convey, you need to know the audience first, who you are talking to, and you need to learn to communicate in their way. That will be the best way they will understand you, because when you link with people in their own profession, so they understand you in a better way. That's how it goes.